Hello everyone, this is Prasad Duri from Ensign Gym and Power Fitness. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to talk about will eating rice make you fat? Now whenever I hand over a meal plan to my gym members and they see rice mentioned in the plan, I get this question from almost everyone who are trying to lose weight whether eating rice will make them fat and blaming rice as the only reason for them being overweight and whether they should completely stop eating rice. So let's find out. Understand this very important point. Every food that we eat has some amount of calories in it. Even the healthiest food that we eat has its own calories. Some foods are nutritionally dense food and some are calorie dense food. Ideally, we should be eating more nutritionally dense food to get more nutrients per calorie. Now, rice is a source of carbs and 1 gram of carb is equal to 4 calories. Likewise, 1 gram of protein also comes with 4 calories and 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. So, fat becomes the most calorie dense food, but of course, fat also has its own place and benefits in our overall diet and nutrition. So coming back to rice, as I said, rice is a source of carbs. So 1 gram of rice is equal to 4 calories and eating rice will come with its own calories. But a single food on its own, whether it is rice, potatoes, bananas, cheese or any other food for that matter, does not make you fat or thin. It's the overall food you eat in your day for your breakfast, your lunch and your dinner, and all your other snacks will decide whether you are going to gain weight or lose weight. It doesn't matter whether you're having 3 meals a day, 4 meals a day or 5 meals a day, whether you're following a keto or some kind of low carb diet, whether you're doing intermittent fasting wherein you eat for 8 hours a day and fast for remaining 16 hours, or you eat after every 2 to 3 hours throughout the day. It doesn't matter what kind of diet plan or eating pattern you're following. Yes, all these diets or eating plans have their own benefits and will show a positive result on you. Because in all the different diet plans, there is one thing in common. You are manipulating your calories in some way or the other, and intentionally or unintentionally you end up in calorie deficit. Eating too many calories in total and not burning enough calories throughout the day will make you fat. It is as simple as that. At least when you start your fat loss journey or you're just looking to maintain a healthy weight. Of course, when you move ahead or you're chasing some serious competitive results, the source of your calories, the amount of protein, carbs and fats will matter. The timing and frequency of your food will also matter, but for most of the people the template is simple. Calories in versus calories out. The total calories you consume and the total calories you burn throughout the day with all your activities, exercise as well as non-exercise activity, that is while doing your basic routine work. You should be burning more calories than what you consume to be in a caloric deficit state, which is a starting point to lose weight or lose fat. Now, talking about the caloric content of rice, if you are wondering rice has too many calories, then again you are wrong, because 100 grams of cooked rice has around 120 to 130 calories. That almost the same as calories coming from large banana. And since banana is a fruit, we categorize it as a healthy food. So you don't have to worry much about the calories coming only from rice. Yes, if you make different recipes of rice like biryani and different ingredients like oil, chicken or vegetables or any other things which are added to it, then you will have to take care of the calories coming from those ingredients. So even if you have rice twice a day, that is for your lunch and your dinner, if you control your portion sizes and don't eat in excess, there is no harm in eating rice. You can always weigh the amount of rice you eat by using different types of kitchen weighing scale or a measuring cup to control the amount of rice you eat, or use a easier and more convenient way of measuring by using a cup of rice for every meal. So 1 cup of rice for lunch and 1 cup of rice for dinner. This way you will satisfy your taste buds and will not have that constant craving of eating rice. It will be a good way to start and see how it works for you. And of course, you also need to be aware of the amount of other foods you eat in your meals to avoid gaining weight. The fact is, rice has its own benefits. It is full of minerals and easy, fast digesting carbs, especially white rice. And for those of you who work out, white rice can be part of your perfect post-workout meal along with some portion of protein with it. So the answer to the question whether eating rice can make you fat is yes. Yes, it can make you gain weight if the portion sizes are not controlled. Any food can make you fat if the portion sizes are not controlled, whether it is rice or any other food, whether it is carbs, fats, and even excess protein can make you gain weight. If you are specifically concerned about rice as a reason for you to be fat, you must be eating excess rice every meal, which must be taking you in calorie surplus at the end of your day. If rice is a staple food and you like eating rice for your meals, you need to watch your portion sizes. That is the amount of rice you consume in your meals, and eat consciously and responsibly. If you do that, there is no need for you to cut out rice or any other food which you like to eat from your diet to lose or maintain a healthy weight. Eating white rice as a part of a healthy, balanced meal is not going to result in weight gain. So that's it. This is all you need to know about eating rice, at least from the caloric point of view. Yes, if you need to live a more holistic life, many more things will matter, like when you eat the food, how you eat the food, even how you cook the food. So I hope this information was helpful for you and you will make smart eating habits going ahead. Thank you.